Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your general and love reading, okay, for the rest of January. Okay, so, yeah, syempre, again, yes. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Yeah, oo. And, syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, we do have protection from evil eye. Meron tayong granter necklace, okay, para makapag-grant. Oo, may mga mag-grant na mga minamanifest. And syempre, si granter necklace natin lagi yung may pa-surprise. No, lagi may pa-surprise. Oo. And yung ating love bracelet for singles, and pwede rin yun sa may mga kakonect na sobrang nakaka-stress. And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. Okay? So, yun yung ating bago. Oo. Sabihin nating bago. Pinaka-bago natin si cord cut. Pang cord cut. So, kung may tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And by the way, so, ito yung sa mga nagtatanong po ito yung kay Perception of Light. Ito yung kanyang FB page. So, itatype nyo lang kung gusto nyo magpa-read sa kanya. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, ito naman po, Kuya Dingsi. Kuya Dingsi. Isang word lang po yung Dingsi. Okay? So, makikita nyo naman yan agad-agad. So, kung di nyo makikita, message nyo lang po ako para maibigay yung link. Okay. So, Aries. Doon muna tayo sa iyong general. Ano pa ba ang mga pwedeng mangyari bago matapos ang January 2025. Okay, so tingnan natin. In general, kung may specific man na makita, babanggitin natin. Don't you worry. Okay, so ano bang meron for you, Aries placements, bago mag-end ang January? In general. Okay. This is too many. So, Four of Wands in reverse. So, may chance ng paglipat. Paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, mga ganyan. May mga kukumpunihin sa mga bahay, may mga kukumpunihin pagdating sa mga sasakyan, may mga ganyang bagay ba. Okay, Four of Wands in reverse. And the Two of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, meron ditong may mga itatapon na talaga, declutter. May mga ganyan. Ganun yung energy, decluttering, 'di ba? Pagbabawas. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga i-give up, no? Pwedeng, or may mga isasara, sa totoo lang, na business. Or kung may mga isasara, siguro may mga darating din na new opportunities. So don't you worry. Yeah, see, the Wheel of Fortune is here. I told you. Diba? It's like, may nag-end, may mag-start muli. Something like that. Okay. So, what else for Aries placements? Iba sa inyo, meron na kayong mga i-release or may mga i-end totally na connection na hindi na talaga nagsaserve ng maganda. Okay, sa'yo. What else? May mga i-give up pagdating sa career or work. So, siguro, pwedeng may i-give up na position para mag-level up. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, what else? Five of Swords. What's that? What is that? Ten of Wands Universe. Sa mga nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo, kailangan nyo daw munang i-release. Kailangan nyo huwag munang pansin-pansinin or bigyang pansin hanggat maaari. Isantabi nyo or sabihin natin iwasan nyo muna na parang ma-stress. Iba sa inyo nandyan sa cycle na yan na kailangan nyo na talagang i-give up or kasi meron ditong sinasabi ang ang nakikita ko rito is this is talking about ang tawag dyan, yung pag-surrender. Okay, so maybe this is like surrendering or acceptance for some of you, mga ganyang bagay na talagang sa tingin ko is yung parang hindi nyo na makuhaan, no, ng magandang sagot, parang ganyan. Iba sa inyo, kailangan yung kumuha ng opinion from other people kung hindi nyo na talaga malutas yung isang bagay or kung ano man. Yes. Okay. So, what else? Yeah, the stars here. Some of you have to heal. Or pwedeng isang aqua ang gumagawa sa'yo nun. Or, yeah. What else? Malilesen yung stress. Aries, don't you worry. The Fool in reversed. Somebody is afraid traveling alone. Some of you may travel dito na pwedeng ikaw lang mag-isa, aanyayahan ka siguro, mga ganyan. Somebody is like, meron dito akong nakikitang energy na merong lalayo sa family or lilipat ng bahay. So, maninira ka na ng kanya, like being independent, may mga ganon. Somebody is afraid. Okay? It's like first time. Oo, parang mga ganyan, no? So, or pwedeng traveling alone for the first time, in the history. Ano tong the Fool in reverse? Let's see. 7 of Cups. Huwag niyong masyadong sarilinin, Aries. Ha? Yung mga gawa. Pagiging busy mo. Yung pagiging busy ng iba sa inyo, ang dami nyong gawain, hindi masamang humingi ng tulong, hindi masamang humingi ng suporta. Some of you, you'll travel different countries. Specific yun. Hindi yun para sa lahat, I know. Pero may nakikita akong ganyan. Different countries. Yeah. Traveling. Wow. Nice. Being busy ba sa inyo? Okay. So, meron ditong parang afraid to approach you. Somebody's afraid to approach. Who is this? The High Priestess. They're stalking you. Being silent. Pwedeng Taurus or pwedeng Cancer yan. This is your energy. Pwedeng tingin kasi nila you're walang pakialam sa kanila or your back is turned like that. Okay? So they're like, ano kayong meron? Bakit ganyan? They're like afraid or nervous. I don't know why. They want to approach you. They want to approach you. I don't know. Pwedeng nilayuan ka nito. Yeah, that's general. Now, they are thinking kung paano ka lalapitan, kung paano gagawa ng hakbang patungo sa'yo. I don't know kung anong meron. Not specific. Yeah. They want to have a communication. Maybe a new beginning. Paano kanila mapapasayaw sa kanilang tugtog. Something like that. Okay? So, there. So, yun ang nakukuha ko bago mag-end. Okay? Bago mag-end ang January, maybe yung iba doon. Pero yung iba kasi nakikita ko pwedeng matagal-tagal pa eh. No? Hindi agad-agad sa ngayon. Pero the rest, may chance bago mag-end ang January is mangyari yun. Okay? So, Aries, let's go na sa iyong person. Okay? Who's the person on your mind, Aries? For the rest of January, titingnan natin kung anong energy ng situation ninyo. Okay? So, let's see. Some of you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah. Somebody is too focused on their work, career. Let's see. Somebody is working parang sa isang salon or haircut may mga ganyan. That's channeled. Okay, so who's this person, Aries? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dito sa taong to para malaman mong siya to? The Three of Wands in reversed. The Hierophant in reverse. This is a self-sabotager. Specific. Self-sabotager. Wala silang kayang i-commit. They can't commit. They can't. Pwede kasing sila mismo yung gumagawa ng kasiraan sa mga gusto nilang gawin, sa mga plano nila. In general. Yeah. They're too afraid. They're chicken. Anyway. Some of them, maybe they're too young or maybe they're young. They're not like ready. Kung saan man, kung ano man, they're not ready to commit. They're just too afraid. Overthinking, andyan yung self-sabotaging. Let's see. Anong situation ninyo, Aries? We have here Fire and Taurus. Ano ang situation ninyo? The 8 of Pentacles and the Page of Swords. Somebody's too busy and wala nang time for kung ano man. Okay? Or sabihin natin hindi na masyadong nabibigyang pansin yung mga dapat bigyang pansin sa situation. The 5 of Cups. The 7 of Swords. Andun yung parang, ayoko na to. Nakakatakot na kasi ulit, maybe. Or, i-give chance tong sa atin. Parang ganyan. Afraid. So, parang, the situation is like, pwede kasing marami na rin nangyari. Effort. Okay? Fixing things. Pero, andyan yung sa situation is, okay, alam ko na to, alam ko na nangyayari dito, alam ko na ang mangyayari, masyado ko nang basa tong aming ito. So, nakakatamad na. Gusto ko na gawan pa rin ang paraan nito, pero hindi ko alam kung mag-work pa rin or mag-work na this time kasi sa sobrang dami na nangyari. The 6 of Pentacles. Marami ng beses na nangyari na magkaroon ng sabihin nating pag-aayos pero hindi pa rin totally nag-click or nag-workout. Merong kailangang i-workout, so nangyari naman pero hindi naging okay yung result. Meron din ditong, I don't know, like, addiction. That's, channeled. There's this addiction, or sabihin nating, kung saan lang sila familiar, dun lang sila mag-stick. May ganun din. Takot na lumabas sa comfort zone. Parang ganun. Takot na mag-take risk. Somebody here is like an overthinker. May mga ganun. What is their emotion towards you, Aries? Let's see. Emotion ni person mo na to. Na iniisip mo. Somebody. Some of you talagang younger tong taong to. They are young. Or maybe they're just like acting immature. The 9 of Swords in reverse. Emotion is the 9 of Swords in reverse. And the Emperor in reverse. Ayaw nila nito. Hindi malabo, iba sa inyo, hindi ito kumukonek sa'yo ngayon. you're contact maybe, or wala kayong talagang connection nga, no, sa ngayon, because they can't hindi sila responsible nakakonect or karelasyon. So, yeah, hindi na rin naman kabigla-bigla yun sa mga nakita ko dito sa 4 na cards. Yeah, hindi nila kayang ilaban, hindi nila kayang i-express yung kanilang emotions or kung ano man ang mga kailangang i-express. It's like, okay, dito lang ako. Mas okay ako dito. Parang ganyan. Dito ako nasanay, ayokong gumawa ng kung ano man, hakbang or whatsoever. Yeah, self-sabotager yung iba sa kanila, baka hindi maging okay. Ay, gusto kong gawin to, pero baka hindi ako tanggapin, or baka hindi maniwala siya sa akin, or whatsoever. Ganon siya. Huh? They're keeping tabs on you. Yeah, they're keeping tabs on you. They're stalking you. Let's see. Their next action towards you, Aries. What is their next action towards you? The Empress in reverse. So we have here a pair, both in reversed. I think this is not the right timing for the both of you. No, the Empress in reversed as their next action. There's no progress here. Wala kang aasahan sa kanya, Aries. I'm sorry. Iba sa inyo, yeah, this is your energy. Yeah. So, pwedeng nakikita nila sa'yo na parang hindi ka na rin masyadong nagbibigay pansin. So, why? Bakit pa? Parang ganun sa kanila. Yung iba sa kanila pwedeng nagre-rely sa'yo, Aries. Nagre-rely sa kung anong pwede mong sabihin sa mga gagawin mo. So, kung wala sila makikita at maririnig from you, then wala ka rin makikita at maririnig from them. Yeah, mga ganong bagay. Okay, the Empress in reverse as their next action. Wala kang magandang aasahan. Yeah. Depending, relying. The Sun in reverse. Some of them pwedeng magtatago na lamang sa saya ng kanilang mga magulang. No, yung iba sa kanila. Yeah, specific. Hindi ko kaya. Some of them, tatalikuran yung responsibilities kung meron man. Na naiwan na responsibilidad sa'yo. Kung may anak kayo, pwedeng hindi niya panindigan. I'm sorry, that's specific. Yeah. Somebody needs to hear that. Pero, iba sa inyo, tingin ko naman hindi mo naman na masyadong hinihintay pa tong taong to. Yeah, kaya mo naman may paninindigan ka naman. No? So, magtatago. Iba sa kanila, nandyan yung sisiraan ka. I don't know why. I don't know. This is too negative. I'm sorry. Negative yung person mo No? Okay. Kailangan ko lang sabihin, binabasa ko lang. Let's see. This is hiding kung ano man. Mga dapat nilang gawin, mga responsibilidad, aksyon, salita, itatago nilang nila. And yes, ang pinaka na pwede nilang gawin or ginagawa na lang sa ngayon is to stalk you. And be silent. Keeping silent. Keeping tabs on you. Watching you from afar. Watching you from a fake profile. Yeah. Let's see. Anong outcome / advice for you, Aries placements? Sa ganitong sitwasyon for the rest of January. The 5 of Swords in reverse, yeah. Ialis mo yung sarili mo sa stress. This is stress. Yeah, tama naman tong ginagawa mo. Pwedeng ganitong nakikita nila sa'yo na parang wala ka ng pakialam. Yeah. Yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Whether kung hindi mo man ginagawa na maging okay, well, ganun ang tingin nila sa'yo na nagiging okay ka na. Let's do this 5 of Swords in reverse. The Ace of Cups in reverse. No time, okay, para makipaglaro. No time para makipaglokohan. Parang ganyan, the devil is here. So, kung mayroon mga kailangang isettle, isettle. And hindi rin ina-advise rito na maging open kayo romantically sa isa't isa. Just settle kung ano kailangang isettle or i-fix sa situation. Kung may mga legal na usapin, then idaan sa legal na usapin. Okay? So, yeah, you have to heal. The Ace of Cups is here in reverse. Maybe not the right timing for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo may nakakuha to specific to, hindi para sa lahat. May nakakuha ko rito, may kanya-kanya kayong pamilya. Itong person mo may kanyang pamilya. Okay? Ikaw mayroon din. Kaya hindi pwede. May asawa siya, may asawa ka. Kaya hindi pwede. Hindi to mag-fix. Hindi to ma-fix. Hindi to, kahit anong gawin nyo. Meron lang talagang mga kailangang gawin kung gusto. Legal. Okay. So, there. So, we have here Aries, a fellow Aries, water, air, earth, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Cancer, fire. Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. What's for you? Anong meron sa kanila? Tingnan natin. Anong meron sa kanila? Patungo sa'yo, diba? Aries through Pisces. This is for the zodiac sign you're dealing with. So, Aries, feeling hopeless. So, kung ano man, some of them, they need to heal. Taurus. So, nandyan yung unfinished business. Na kailangan talagang, sabihin natin, gawa ng paraan para ma-fix, no? Kung ano man. Gemini, they're not being fair. There's injustice here. Some of you have here, may mga kailangang idaan sa legal actions. Okay. Cancer, so they made their decision already. So maybe pwedeng gagawa pa lang sila ng decision kung ano man. Leo, they need you. Feeling hopeless. Virgo, they want na ma-fix. They want na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. Libra, they're a waste of time. They're time waster. Yeah. Scorpio, they want a new beginning with you. Some of them, they want to get your attention. Okay, Sagittarius. May dinaramdam si Sag. Nandyan yung, they're in their emotions. Para silang batang nagtatantrums. Yeah. They need you, pero parang feeling nila ikaw yung parang nagbigay ng dahilan para i-give up tong situation. Merong ganyang specific na message. Capricorns, feeling incomplete. They're sad. Hindi sila kontento. Aqua, they want to commit. They like you, they want you. They want to commit. Pisces, they're too hot and cold. They're inconsistent. pagdating sa emotions. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!